This is going to be a video review of the GoFit door anchor. I bought two of these, and the reason I bought them is because I am starting to get heavily into exercise bands, the tubing, the exercise resistance tubing, and the Theraband bands and the loops. So let me take this out of the package. So it comes with some instructions that I'll look at later. We've got a loop here. It's a nice big loop, and the advantage of having the bigger loop. The older ones used to have a really tiny loop. The advantage of this is you can usually get handles through here that are attached to the resistance tubing, and this one has a, I don't know what's in here. It's a big block of something. And some of the others have the round, it's like a round foam roll with a metal ring in it, and I'm not sure how good those things are. I just got some with my resistance bands. Reason I'm out of breath, I just did some resistance band tubing training, testing out in, the body elastics, and wow, what a workout. So I'm going to try this right now. With the other brand, the material was so thick over here that I was not able to get it. I was able to get it into the top part of the door where there's a huge gap, but I couldn't get it over on the hinge side, and that's really where you want it. You don't want it on the lock side, you want it on the hinge side, and you want it on the upper door. So I'm going to see if this fits in. I have a feeling it will, because it's not as thick over here. It's still very beefy. The stitching looks great. This looks sturdy and solid, and let's test it out. All right, there it is. Nowadays they are using these really thick, this thick material. It's solid material. The only place I'm able to put it in is on my upper part of the door where I've got a massive gap. So if you've got a standard door in your house with weather stripping, you're probably not going to be able to use this. I don't want to bend my door or mess up the frame, so I wasn't even able to get it in on the standard door. I like the quality of the material. I've got it on the top right now, and just by doing this I can hear the door not happy. I'm going to lock the deadbolt. The door is not happy, and you don't want to break your door, so that's something you really need to be aware of. Oh boy, does that feel good. I don't have the handles on here now. I just did a review of this product if you want to check out my channel. So it does serve its purpose, but for me, I'm only going to be able to use it on the upper part of the door, unless I can find another door. I like that it has the covered block thing in there instead of the foam material, but even with the foam products, I can't get it through it doesn't work on the door. The gap is not big enough. And so it is a good product. Just be aware that if you have a tight gap on your door, then this is not going to work for you. If you don't have a tight gap, this will definitely work for you, and you'll be very happy with it. If you like my reviews, do a thumbs up, a like, share the video if you want to. If you want to donate to my channel, ask for my PayPal info. If you have a product you want me to review, if I can get a hold of it, I'll do the review. You can even use this on exercise bands. These are the Therabands, and oh, is that a beautiful workout. Yeah. See, you can't get this when you're doing weight bench and the weights and the dumbbells. You can get this with weight machines, but a lot of these things you just can't get with heavy weights or solid weights. So something like this is excellent for me, for my shoulders. I can go downward. I can hold it like this and do an arm curl. Let me try to zoom out a little bit. Okay, I'm zoomed out as much as I can go. I can wrap my arm around and do something with the downward to do a tricep. I can go like this and do a bicep, bringing my arm, curling it towards me. I can, if I could get it lower down, around the door, I could do lots of other exercises, but I'm not able to do it, again, because the material is so thick, because it's such good quality, that it's defeating the purpose of me putting it in my door jamb. But it is a very well-made product, made by OneFit. It's the door anchor for exercise tubing and exercise bands.